Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common headache: how to turn on your Roku TV without the remote. Whether you've misplaced it, the battery's died, or you're just curious about alternatives, I've got simple, step-by-step solutions for you. This is especially handy for 2025 models, which might have some updated features, but don't worry, these methods work across most versions. First things first, let's start with the easiest option: using the physical buttons on your TV. Most Roku TVs have a power button built right into the device. Look for it on the side, bottom, or back panel. It's usually labeled and easy to spot. Simply press and hold that button for a few seconds, and your TV should power up. If you're not sure where it is, check your TV's user manual or the Roku website for a diagram specific to your model. If that doesn't work or your TV doesn't have a visible button, grab your smartphone. Download the Roku mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. It's free and super straightforward. Once installed, connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Open the app, sign in with your Roku account, and you'll see your TV listed. From there, tap the power icon to turn it on. Pro tip: make sure your app is updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Another cool method is using voice assistants if your Roku TV is integrated with smart home systems like Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. Just say something like, "Hey Google, turn on the living room TV," or "Alexa, power on my Roku." This works if your devices are linked, which is a breeze to set up in the settings menu. Lastly, if none of these options pan out, consider a universal remote or even the buttons on your TV's cable box if it's connected. Always remember to keep your Roku software updated for the best experience. There you have it. Simple ways to get your Roku TV up and running without the remote. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.